So hello and welcome to InFocus UPSC again. So in this video, इस वीडियो में हम CSAT का एक पैसेज देखेंगे और उसे बिना पढ़े हम सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करेंगे एंड यू विल सी द मैजिक दैट वी डू नॉट इवन हैव टू रीड द पैसेज टू सॉल्व द करेक्ट आंसर, राइट। तो इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कि हम कैसे बिना पढ़े एक पैसेज को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। So look at this passage here, look at this passage here, this passage. Now read the statements in this passage. इस पैसेज में सारी की सारी स्टेटमेंट आपको लगेंगी कि सही है एंड दे आर मोर रीजनेबल, दे आर मोर प्लॉजिबल एंड एवरी स्टेटमेंट सीम्स करेक्ट। तो लेट अस सी हाउ कैन वी come to right answer just by applying a right mindset and common sense, right? So let us read these statements. So what does questions team say? Which one of the following statement best reflect what is implied by the passage? तो इस पैसेज में क्या implied है and find out the statement which is more suitable. So let us read the first statement. What it says, that education system, see this statement says that education system must be strengthened in rural areas. So this statement seems logical and reasonable that education system in India must be strengthened in rural areas, because we have seen that there is a less penetration and education infrastructure lacks in the rural areas. So this statement seems reasonable. Let us look at the another statement, that large scale and effective implementation of the skill development program is the need of the hour. Now this statement also correct, right? If you look at the statement, it says large scale and the effective implementation. It not only says large scale, ये स्टेटमेंट ऐसे भी बोल रहा है कि हमको इफेक्टिव इम्प्लीमेंटेशन करना है स्किल डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम का, तो ये भी बिल्कुल सही लग रहा है स्टेटमेंट। Now look at the statement 3. We can easily eliminate the statement 3 by applying that extreme statement logic, that it has used only statement that only skilled worker needs special attention. So this is not correct. We should give a special attention to all of the people who need right skill and right education, right? Now look at the last statement, and I want you to focus on this last statement. For a rapid economic growth as envisaged by us, attention should be paid to health and nutrition of the people. Now look at the other statement and look at this last statement. You would notice that last statement seems more reasonable and more logical, because इसमें क्या है कि even if you strengthen the education system in the rural areas, that is reasonable, and even if you give good skills to the people on large scale basis, but if the workforce is not healthy and have good nutritional status, then there is no use of this high education and good skills among the people, right? So again, even our human development index focuses more on health and nutrition of the people, right? So many health indicator or many happiness indicator focuses on health and nutrition. So statement D seems more reasonable than other statements. So even when we did not read passage, we came to the right answer just by applying right mindset and right logic. And मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि this works every time. This is not just ये ऐसे नहीं कि मैं एग्जाम सेंटर से बाहर बैठ के ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ. This strategy I have applied in the last examination and it has worked. I also want you to apply this strategy, solve one mock and see if the strategy works for you or not, right? So let me know your experience in the comment section and do thank me if this strategy is working.